Let me show you the best way to create an MSI application in SCCM. Simply go to application management, right click on applications and create an application. Location, you have to give your network path. Just select the file, hit next. Yes, this will import your application into SCCM. Now just give the name, comments, software version details, other details you want. And the best part about creating an MSI application in SCCM is that it will automatically create a working command line in the installation program, as you can see. And even if you want, you can edit it, like just if you can add a slash no reboot, so to make sure that no reboots are happening at the time of installation. But for me this command will work fine, so I will just hit next, hit next, and the application is getting created in SCCM. Okay, now click on close. The first thing after creating an application is you need to distribute it to all the distribution point, make it a habit, so none of your deployments are failing just because it is not able to find the content. Now we have distributed our content to our single DP. Click OK, next, next, close. Now let's see the content status. It is still in progress. Let's wait for it to get completed and goes into the success state. Now our content should be distributed. Okay, it is distributed successfully. Now go to software library. We'll select our application, and this is our 7-zip application. Right click, select deploy. I will deploy it to all my current clients. I'll select all desktops and server client. I have 3 devices. Just click on OK, hit next. It has already been distributed, so we don't have to distribute it again. Just hit next again. I will keep it as available. You can keep it as required if you want to do a force installation. Hit next, next. We don't want to make any alert or experience changes. And after summary, yeah, our application is ready. Now we'll log into our test device. Okay, so once the deployment is done, within the next 5 to 10 minutes, it will start deploying on all the devices. Let's open software center. I guess it will take some time because it's a recent deployment. We may have to run the action cycles from the control panel so that it can take the policies for our new application which we have deployed. Yeah, it has not appeared yet, so we'll simply go to control panel, go to configuration manager, and we need to select the cycles. Go to action cycles and select machine policy retrieval and evaluation cycle and user policy cycle, software update deployment cycle. This is the first time I'm deploying, so I'm selecting all the cycles. So now in the next few minutes our application, yeah, we can see the application has arrived. Let's try to install it. It is in downloading state. It can take few minutes just in case if your internet is slow, but it should not fail and you should be able to see the status changing from progress to downloading then installing. So just keep an eye. It's 45% completed. Let's wait for a few minutes. Okay, it is in the installation state. Okay, the application is successfully installed. Please subscribe to our channel for more such content. We're also working on Intune videos. Thank you so much for watching.